I ran into this last week. Here's where I fixed it for me. If you need to update your phone number on Truist, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Truist account. Open the Truist Apple website and enter your login credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your personal information. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Settings icon, usually located in the top right corner. Click on it to access your personal information. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In the Profile Settings, find the section labeled Contact Information or similar. This is where you can view and edit your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Click on the Edit button next to your current phone number. Enter your new phone number and make sure to double check it for accuracy before saving. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving, you may receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to check that your new number is displayed correctly in your account settings. It's always a good idea to verify that the new number is working, especially if you rely on it for two-factor authentication. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Truist customer support. Happy updating!